Raised in the vast wilderness of the Rocky Mountains, he's a man shaped by nature's strength. Aaron Lawson, 34, Colorado, USA, a true frontier engineer, tough, sharp, and full of humor, with a deep love for motorcycles. Failure is not an option. No matter the challenge, he always finds the best solution. WTGP, a once-in-a-lifetime battle. His true strength lies in his exceptional insight, able to deliver a perfect repair in a single attempt. He carries the pride of America on his shoulders. And more personally, he's driven to show his family and the second child arriving after WTGP what it means to be a great father. Yamaha Motor's 70th anniversary. Now is the time to step onto the world stage and prove the power of American skill and spirit. Entry number 14, Aaron Lawson, Frontier Engineer.